Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cause Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. You know, I'm glad that you are here with me. I have been doing a lot of crazy painting lately, trying the blooming thing and swiping with blooming pouring medium and just blooming and all kinds of weird stuff or cool stuff, neat stuff. But today I came down and I just decided I want to get back to my roots. I want to do my Courtney swipe, my Courtney Hauscher swipe. She is my teach. You all know that. She's the one who got me started on my painting journey about 16 months ago. And she did probably my favorite painting of hers. And these are all Courtney's colors. And they all pretty much mix close to the way that Courtney does. So I just wanted to get back to doing what I started this painting journey with, and that is one of these swipes. So let's talk about what we got going on here. This is a 16 by 20 canvas, a gallery wrap canvas, and our paint colors are yummy today. Our base coat, oh, look at that. But I gotta tell you guys, it's like water. The pouring medium is 40% Floetrol and 60% Golden GAC 800. Now GAC is much thinner than Floetrol, so this is really thin, and if you're not used to thin paints, it might freak you out a little bit, but boy oh boy, sometimes the end results are super cool. So that is my Golden Iridescent Silver. And this is a fluid paint, guys, which makes your paints even more fluid. So it's a bit of an adjustment if you're used to painting with thicker paints. But once you get this down, guys, oh, it's like buttery, silky softness, and I just love it. Our swiping colors today, this yummy gold right here is Golden Iridescent Gold, and I was out of the fluid, so I had to use the high flow, which makes it even more fluid. So we will see how that works out. This right here for good luck, one of my favorite all-time colors is Golden Iridescent Pearl. Once again, a fluid paint. This yummy color right here is more of our Golden Iridescent Silver fluid paint. This yummy cup right here is a mixture of the Q word, guys, the Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. I put just a squirt in my cup. And then I added to that some Golded Fluid Burnt Sienna. Now we've got about, a half an ounce of paint to about 3 ounces of pouring medium. Sorry about that, guys. I had to step away for a minute. My man's getting ready to take a little Harley ride, and I always kiss him before he goes. This right here is, I can't say this word, iron oxide, golden fluid paints. And this color right here is golden carbon black. So we've got a fluid pouring medium, and we've got fluid paints, which are silky, buttery, smooth, and wonderful. So guys, I am going to put some tunes on for you and put some really good tunes on for me, and we're going to get busy. Thanks for being here, guys.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down. while, while I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space, countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight, 'cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, while, make it worth your while. While, while, all the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight, 'cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd.